Clover, what are you doing?
Clover.
Clover. Clover, what are you
She's
doing?
chewing on it. She's not
I
sucking,
know.
really.
She just likes to play with you. Clover.
He has to eat.
Clover, say hi.
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 Hi. She said hi.
Clover.
Say Trey. Trey. Say hi. What the? What the heck? No, it's a speaker. Or it's a speaker.
She's saying hi to you guys.
Stupid power?
Stop it, boys.
Yeah, I'm real happy with where the yard is. Early in March, we still have, the loans have already been done, and
I know, that's why this is nice to have a St. Patrick's Day party. We get it all done. Clover. Hey. Hi.
See, she doesn't know what that is. She's on the other side of it.
You have slow power on your mouth.
Digging, digging, digging.
You have slow power on your neck. You can move very slow. Whoa. You can make
Tomorrow's
your feet.
school, boys.
No.
hey, watch you man, because I'm going to get a vision care card.
Okay.
Here's my cape. I got a cape. And then look at, I got a cape. No, you got a cape. Yes. You got a okay. I got a cape. No, we got 2 weeks off school. Well, 3 weeks. 4 weeks. No, 6 weeks.
Clover, bye-bye.
100.